Hello everybody.
Hello.
And welcome to a different type of video.
Yes.
Because normally when we do these types of videos, we're at home. But in this video, we're in our hotel room the day before we fly.
Yes.
So we're going to be going through our backpack and what we have in our backpack for our flight to Los Angeles. Because if you didn't know, we're going to Los Angeles and I'm super excited.
We are actually going to California, hand luggage only.
Yes.
So if you are wondering from the previous videos, wondering how on earth are they going to do it? Like how on earth are they going to fit all of their stuff into, well, pretty much 2 hand luggage bags each. Yeah, stay tuned. This is the video for you.
So let's get to it, shall we?
Yeah.
So the first thing we're going to be covering is our backpacks, which are going to be going underneath our seats.
Surprisingly, they do go under the seat.
Yes, they do.
Like, they do.
Do not be fooled by its common appearance. Highlighted these in our Amazon haul, which we did. If you want to check that video out,
yeah,
link in the top right of the description, and all that sort of jazz. So, where should we start off first?
Should we start off with this?
Let's do it.
Okay, so I've got my water cup here, and I've also got my coffee cup as well in here if I need to use it. Very basic. There's my slippers.
Yep.
Got some gold now.
Treat for the plane.
I've also got inside here is my outfit for tomorrow, which I will get out later.
Yep.
So that is for tomorrow. I also have a spare change of clothes as well in there for when we're about to get off the plane as well. It's very nice to actually get changed into something different. It makes you feel refreshed, makes you feel ready, and it kind of delays a little bit of the jet lag.
That's true.
That's my opinion. Like, you know, that's how it.
Well, especially after you've been after 11-hour flight like we're going to be going on.
Exactly.
It's going to really make it nice and fresh and help us out indeed.
In the back, I don't actually have a laptop with me, so I've got my trusty bows that I've always had. So yeah, I've got the duffel bag in there as well. You know, just in case we may end up checking some items in on the way back, and we don't have to fork out, you know, money for a new suitcase when we've got that little thing in there. Yes. It's quite magic, that thing.
It is very good. It's a 100-litre one. Again, that is in our Amazon haul as well. So again, as we said, make sure you check it out.
This is my liquids bag. It looks really grim.
But we've used it for many years.
We've used it for many years. In fact, I do have a new one because it is ripping.
Yes.
And what I've decided to do as well is that I'm a little bit of a magpie when it comes to tester pots. And, you know, once I've finished with that product, I will clean them all out and ready to reuse again. So, like, this one was a Body Shop Oils of Life. It's not Oils of Life anymore. It's actually my tinted primer, like shimmer primer. And this is the perfect size.
Yeah. Perfect
size for it. So I've done that. So I've like decanted all of my little essential skincare and hair care products. And all of my liquids are all in there. Tidy. Nice. A good tip as well is that wet wipes, cleansing wipes or antibacterial wipes or anything like that is not classed as a liquid. So it doesn't need to go into a liquid bag. I thought it was until today. When I asked them and they went, "Nah, don't worry about it, you don't need to put them in." And I was like...
So think of all the space that you can save now in the future when you go on these trips.
I forgot a separate compartment.
You did?
Oh yeah, I've got my sunglasses in there. There's hardly anything in there. My bumper
word search. We're going to be using that on the plane.
Have you got a pen?
I do.
Yeah.
I've got 2 pens. Oh, always prepared.
I love a word search. So there we go. That's in my backpack.
Right, so it's time to go through my backpack. Again, same backpack as Steffi's. I've got a water bottle, a little bit bigger than hers, but it still can carry just enough. Also, a big shout out to Tim and Jen for buying this for us. It was a really nice gift. Thank you guys.
Thank you guys.
Love you very much. Front pocket here.
Oh,
front pocket.
Nice, the front pocket.
Organiser with all our passports, information of our tickets for Disneyland and all our other things we've got planned. This is a dual headphone adapter. So if me and Steph want to listen to some music at the same time, or you know, watch some movies together.
Yeah, on the tablet.
On the tablet we got, so we've got that to connect, which is good. This compartment, I've got obviously phone charger, it's essential for our phones, and then I've also got I've forgotten what these are now.
Yeah, because you even forgot them.
Yeah, pretty much. These are my headphones, which I was meant to bring, but unfortunately
you've realised.
I forgot them.
You know exactly where they are as well, don't you?
Yeah, they're on the sofa.
Ouch! Ouch.
So,
Well, there's another container that we...
to put something in.
Oh, gosh.
So, hey-ho. But moving on, we've got our electrical organiser box. We've got batteries, already charged, SD cards are already. This one's already been used, so we need to charge that up tonight.
It's good that you got it in a separate compartment so you don't.
So I know
you know which one.
It's like Russian roulette. Which one is not working?
Comment down below if you are Russian roulette in regards to a battery. Like, yeah.
Let us know in the comment section. Also down here we've got all our power adapters for our phones, adapters for US plugs, and also Steffi bought this one from Wish, which was really cool. It's like a US.
I think you can get them off Amazon and
you can on Amazon too.
eBay.
But yeah, this is like a American adapter you can put USB. So when you're charging it in America,
I always think that they might be good for those plugs that are in lamps, on your bedside table.
Yes.
I always think that's my vision.
Also, I got some snacks because I really like cheese savouries. So I like to have a snack on the plane. This one has our tablet in. So we've got our Amazon tablet in here with an extra cable, so when we can charge it. So this has got like extra TV shows that aren't on the plane, or any movies that we're going to be watching that again aren't on the plane. So like
Derry Girls.
Yeah, Steffi for Derry Girls.
I've not watched Derry Girls, and everyone keeps telling me to go watch it. So we downloaded the box sets, and
it's going to be watched on the plane. We got in a Herschel bag, which we bought from TK Maxx a long time ago. It was super cheap, so it was really awesome. And then also in here, I've got our spare travel vacuum bags. So when we do buy our things from Disneyland and Los Angeles, we've got extra bags to squeeze them in.
Lovely. On to the next lot of hand luggage. Now we're allowed 2 bags per person. Depending on what airline you go for, they'll have different dimensions for things. And so with BA, you're allowed one of these, and you're allowed a personal bag to go underneath your seat if it's like really busy. So here we go. Go on, Dave. Show us what's in your main hand luggage.
I've got in here flip-flops. A pair of flip-flops that I've worn countless times, and they have lasted the test of time. I really love these ones. These are really good. So nothing in that bit. So then we go to the main compartment. More sweets for this flight. More snacks. This little thing is this is Steph's little package purse.
Yeah, thank you, Tim and Jen, as well.
Yes, this has all of our sort of painkillers, hay fever tablets, flu tablets.
It's our first aid pouch.
First aid pouch, yeah. It's got everything we need that
Mum will be proud.
Exactly. We've also got one of these. Well, it is an extension cable, double-sided extension cable. What I will do is I'll put the adapter on the end of this and then plug this into the wall, and so we can have multiple things instead of just getting loads of extra adapters for each plug. Yeah. This works out, and this is also a one that has like an overload switch, so it will turn off individual plugs when it's overloaded to the amp.
Yeah, so it won't cut out.
Yeah.
You won't end up with a power cut.
Exactly. So yeah, moving on, I've got battery packs, battery chargers for our cameras. These are my clothes for the flight. So t-shirt and comfy trousers. And then I've got my liquids bag, which at the moment is just storing things, because obviously, like we said before in the video, wet wipes don't have to be in there, so I've got lots of space for extra things. We've got the Cool and Soothe headache things for migraines on the flights, which we religiously use. We love them so much. They're like the best things. Even if you've got like a stuffy head, it helps
and you're
so
feeling
much.
really hot. You put that on. It sends me to sleep.
Same here. So let's get on with the clothes.
That's all your clothes.
That's all the clothes I've got.
That's all the clothes, Dave.
So I have 6 t-shirts in here.
Yeah.
All in there, ready for the off. Using the vacuum travel back. Even though I've got my vacuum, but the roll thing in there.
If you want more details on that, if you check out our Amazon haul video, which we did the other week, we'll leave the link down below and the little eye at the corner over there for you guys to check it out and show you how we do it and all that stuff.
So these are my shorts, trousers, underwear in here. Shorts you can see on that side, and others in there, all nice and flat packed. Look how thin that is. Beautiful. Satisfaction. Right, that's that bit. The last bit, I believe, is on this side. Possibly. Ah, yes, I've got another pair of your flip-flops.
That's my flip-flops.
Because you didn't have... Well, no, I just thought I'd use it because I had loads of space. And the side pocket... I don't think there's anything in this bit. Oh, no, sorry, yeah. The munchies.
Brownie munchies.
Brownie munchies. Wanted to try these out because we were like, we never tried these before, so we're going to try them. Also, one thing I forgot to mention.
Go on.
Your J-pillow is connected to mine.
Yeah.
So it's all there. But do go on.
So in my bag, I've got some curlers and I've got some straighteners in there.
Yep.
Because, you know, my hair's miraculously grown a little bit long. Well, it's not grown. I actually got hair extension.
Got to look after him now.
I've got to look after them. You know what I'm saying? Got to look after them. In my other pouch, I don't really have anything else in my other pouch. I've got some Sambicol because, you know, of the recent events that are happening. We need to boost the immune system.
It's true.
Got some more fresh whites, which are antibacterial. So obviously, I don't normally bring my hairdryer with me. But, like I say, because I've got a lot of hair now, we need the big guy. I've also got a vacuum pack because I did have these in those compressed cubes. But those compressed cubes are really good for, you know, when you're checking in luggage and stuff. And we found out when we were testing both of these out, we actually realised, oh, these actually reduce more in size than the other ones. So we thought, we'll do it this way. So got both of our socks in there and underwear and all that lot. And then this is my 7-day thing.
Clothes
so I've got one dress in there. I've got a shirt. I've got 2 pairs of shorts. I've got 2 cycling shorts. And I've got, I think it's 4 t-shirts / tank tops, which obviously I'm going to wash out there. There we go. I've got that, and that's basically it. Oh, and I also have my non-liquid toiletry bag with makeup in there as well.
All in there.
All in there. So there you go. That's really it.
That's everything in our bag.
Well, out of the bag.
Well, yeah.
Oh, and a brush. I've got a brush.
And your brush. So there you go, folks. Hopefully you folks enjoyed that. Let us know in the comment section if you would consider doing this in a future trip for hand luggage.
Yeah.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. We really do appreciate it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and ding the notification bell so you folks notified when we bring out our Los Angeles videos, because they'll be very soon.
Exciting times.
Indeed. Make sure to also follow us on all our social medias like Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And with that being said, we shall see you on the next one.
Cheerio.
Love ya. Bye.
Bye.